Hi, thanks for stopping back by my channel. This is Running in the Desert. Today's outing is a 6-mile bike ride. Yesterday was a little bit of a cause for concern. Yesterday was my run day, and after the run, quite a bit of discomfort, knees and joints, more than I thought I was going to experience. So for now, the hopes of a marathon they're going to have to go on the back burner. The weight loss, I think, is going to have to be much larger than I thought to comfortably run a marathon without pain. I'm going to post today's ride. The numbers, 6 miles. I kind of extended my route a little bit just to add a little bit of distance. I'm going to go ahead and keep moving that number up to the next level will be 8-mile bike rides. And then if the running isn't going to get any better, I'll just keep moving that number up. Because bike riding, obviously, I don't have the joint pain, I don't have the discomfort in hips, knees, and ankles. And it's mainly been the knees the last few runs that have been an issue. The weather here is perfect right now. It's 83 degrees now. This morning, overnight, it was in the 60s. Really nice weather. 8 months out of the year, our weather here is amazing. First 4 months of the year, great. The last 4 months are great. The middle 4 are where we pack in all the 100-degree days, and they're definitely coming. You'll see the forecast. I'm going to post a picture of it. I think it's starting in 4 days. We're going to be at 100 degrees probably every day, and then start peaking next month up into the 110s. We've had some 115s, 116s since we've been here. That's pretty much it. So planning wise, I'm going to have to take the marathon off the schedule. That if that were to happen, that's not a this year task at this point now. So now it becomes running, walking, running occasionally, replacing a lot of that with walking and bike riding. We are planning on doing some trail runs, more like a trail walk. I still like to jog downhill on some trails, but if my wife is with me, it'll be all walks. We're part of a trail group here in Sun Lakes, Arizona. We missed some outings earlier this year. She and I are going to just do some of our own hikes here coming up, and then in this fall we'll join back up with the group again. The outcome with the running is a real disappointment. So I don't know if you've ever had a task in mind or a goal in mind, and then you find out because of a physical issue you had to set it aside. It's disappointing. But we replace disappointments with things that bring us joy, and for me that will be to continue to be out in the sun, be working in my garden. I love my garden. Gardening here is a challenge, but it's right now I've got tomatoes on the vine, and I've got sweet potatoes that are just getting a good start. If you can angle this up and you can look around and you can see our sky here. There's not a cloud in the sky anywhere, and that's what we run into most days. We get to experience the beauty of the desert here. We get to experience these amazing sunsets. And as I grow old, my next birthday, I'll be starting my 70th year.